time. There are a few problems which take time. For example, cancer cannot be cured in one day. It may take 3 to 6 months. And if the disease is very chronic, then it may take even 1 year. Polio also takes time. Even paralysis, some take 1 month, but in others, suppose the paralysis is 10 to 15 years old, then surely it will take time. Patients suffering from varicose veins also take a little more time, but they will be relieved of varicose problems 100%. Kapalabhati pranayam, Anulom Vilom pranayam mainly, 15 to 20 minutes. Both should be done for 15 to 20 minutes. Along with it, you must do other pranayams also. One may never be relieved of varicose by just doing asanas. Of course, if you do Sarvangasana for some time, or if you do Shirsasana, then you may experience some relief, but it won't go permanently. You can be sure of it. Even without doing any asana, if you just raise your feet, even then you'll experience some relief. Many patients experience such acute pain at night because of varicose that they have to place a pillow under their feet while sleeping. Otherwise, there is obstruction in the blood flow and that causes pain. The moment blood circulation stops, the pain starts. So what should you do? Do both the pranayams and do all the other pranayams as well. The package of 7 pranayams. Increase the time of Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom. If the problem of varicose is very acute, then do Kapalbhati for 20 to 30 minutes. And Anulom Vilom also can be done for 20 to 30 minutes. Therefore, you will take 1 to 1.5 hours in the morning. And if you've got time, then do it regularly. If the problem is acute, then do it in the evening as well, if you can't do all the other pranayams. In the morning, do complete yoga, 7 pranayams, 7 mind exercises, stretch your feet in the front and back and also in a circular motion. And blood circulation will improve due to this. 7 yogasanas, 7 mind exercises and 7 pranayam. This is a complete package. Do this in the morning and in the evening do only 2 pranayams, Kapalabhati and Anulom Vilom. Some Ayurvedic medicines are also beneficial in the problem of varicose veins. Chandra Prabhavati, Punarnavadi Mandur. Chandra Prabhavati, Punarnavadi Mandur. Take both these medicines, both these 1 tablet each, 3 times morning, afternoon and evening. In either lukewarm water or lukewarm milk. In either milk or water, take Chandra Prabhavati and Punarnavadi Mandur. If you are overweight, then along with it, you can also take Triphala Gugal or Medo Harvati. And if cysts have formed in varicose veins, if the cysts in the varicose veins have become very big, on legs and thighs they become as big as berries. Women are specially prone to this disease and in some cases meant to suffer from it because of obstacle in the blood circulation. So those who have got cysts as well, they can take Chandra Prabhavati, Kachanar Gugal and Punarnavadi Mandur. Take these tablets. Morning, afternoon, evening. 3 tablets in the morning, 3 in the afternoon and 3 in the evening. You'll have to take 9 tablets. And without taking these tablets, if you are doing pranayam, then with this alone you will be relieved of your problem. But if the problem is too acute, then do take these tablets. And even with these there is no sign of relief, then take 2 tablets of Kaya Kalpvati twice daily, morning and evening. If it starts bleeding, there is pus formation, there is acute pain, then not only your blood will be purified, but you will be relieved of your varicose problems. So take 2 tablets of Kaya Kalpvati twice daily on empty stomach. And Chandra Prabhavati, Punarnavadi Mandur, Triphala Gugal or Medo Harvati. Or if there are cysts, then take Kachanar Gugal, Punarnavadi Mandur, Chandra Prabhavati. These after food. And 2 tablets of Kaya Kalpvati twice on empty stomach with water. This is the Ayurvedic remedy for varicose veins. And along with this, you must practice pranayam that we have told you. With pranayam alone, you'll be relieved of varicose problems 100%. If you are relying only on medicine to cure it, then it will not be cured. This is as true as the truth that pranayam cures varicose veins. Because in our camps, hundreds of patients came and told us that they practiced pranayam, some for 3 months, some 6 months, and by doing so, they were relieved 100% of varicose problem. Now we'll tell you if anywhere on the body if cysts are formed, whether on hand, some people have it on the neck, some below the ears, sometimes even small children are also affected. Some women develop cysts in their breast, cysts are formed in the